duper excited. I bought some new roller skates from Impala. I'm so happy, guys. I'm in my favorite color. Anyone who knows me knows that I love the color purple so much. So I was so happy to get them. I looked everywhere and they did not have my size, like literally anywhere at all. So I was happy to find like my size and my color on BC Sports Surf. I think that's what the site is called. I think it took like a week and some change for the skates to like get here. But I'm super excited. I'm gonna do the unboxing with you guys and like show you what they look like, and hopefully I'll be able to record. If not, you guys will see me skate with them another time. But without further ado, let's get started. Comes with like instructions for them. Sorry, I don't know if you guys could see me. Comes with like instructions for them, I guess, to like take care of them. This is what they look like.
They look so pretty, right? Look at the shimmer.
They like match, like, I don't know if you guys can see because the sun is like so bright, but they like match like my shirt, guys. It's got the Impala imprint.
It has
It's
like
super duper padded. It has like super padding on the back, like in this area. I love the lace. I'm not gonna change the lace. I don't think I'm gonna change the wheels. I have looked up other YouTubers that roller skate. One that I just now like looked into, her name is Karen the Carrot. She says sometimes the wheels come very tight, and these wheels are super tight. I'm a beginner skater, but not really a beginner skater. Like, I know what I'm doing, but at the same time, like, don't. But I want my wheels to roll smoothly on concrete, so I am gonna loosen these up. If you are like a beginner and like you're just starting out skating, just leave them as is. You don't need to loosen them up at all. Oh, and I am a size 8. I'm a size 8. It was very hard to find a size 8, so I was super excited to find them. They had like smaller sizes, so yeah. Alright, so they're on and this is how they look. I'm gonna try to record a video of me skating in them. These skates are faster than my older.